Hello everyone, welcome to the new series of variations. So in today's video, we are going to learn a program, how to write a program. In this program, we have given a large number and the task is to check if that number is divisible by 12 or not. How we are going to divide it, how we are going to do it, let's just find it out. See, to check out the divisibility for the to check out the divisibility of a number by 12, the simple logic is behind it that the number should be divisible by 4 and 3, and then only the number will be divisible by 12. Now, what is the concern? The concern is point number 1, I will write it over here. Point number 1 is, if we are saying that a number is divisible by 12 only if it is divisible by 4 and 3, right? And now going on to the divisibility tests for 4 and 3, the number is divisible by 4 only if the last two digits of the number is divisible by 4. For example, the number is 124. So the last two digits, that is 4 and 2, is divisible by 4, therefore the number 124 is divisible by 4. Now coming back to the next, that is coming back to the divisibility test for 3. So when we are talking about the divisibility test of 3, we can say if the sum of all of the digits of the number is divisible by 3, only then the number is divisible by 3. For example, 12. The sum of digits is 3. 3 is divisible by 3. It means it is divisible by 3. So now, for making the number divisible by 12, we have to number 1, find it out if the number is divisible by 4 and 3 itself. Now, how we are going to do that, let's just find it out. So firstly, we will be taking a number and I will be taking that number into the string format because of course that will be a very large number to divide. Therefore, the number I am taking is 122 4482 4607 284 96124. Let me just check it out again. 122 4482 607 284 96124. Okay, right. So this is our number, and now I will just perform a check over it that if this number is divisible by 12, if the condition is true, I will simply write it out over here, true. Okay. Else, I will simply write it out here, false, that it is not divisible. Now, we will create a method for checking out the divisibility test of 12. So, I will be creating a method over here, okay, boolean, because it is returning us the true or false value, okay. So, is divisible by 12, okay. So now see what we will do. We will simply check if the number is greater than 3, only then we will proceed. So I will write down if the number, if it is greater or equal to 3, only then we will proceed. And how we are going to proceed, let me just show you. We will firstly find out the last digits. To find out the last digits, I'll take a variable, see, digit 1, okay, and I will use the method char at num dot length minus 1, right? So I'll get the last character using this way, and I will convert it into the integer form, and now I will get the last digit of it, right? So I've got it now. I will say if this last digit is not divisible by 0, that it is an odd number, then return false. Number 1 point. Number 2 point, find out the last digit now again. The second last digit, I will say. So same procedure, d2 is equal to, again I will say, num dot char at num dot length minus 2. Simple. I'll be using the this way here. We can also just elaborate it using the other concept, but no need for that, doing it over here. Now we have got the second last digit over here as well, because we have to check it out if it is divisible by the second last and the last 2 digits, I will say, right? So now, keeping it aside, I'll take a variable now, sum is equal to 0. I'll simply find out the sum of all the digits. How we are going to do that? Num dot length, okay, and then we will say sum plus sum num dot char at I. That is, just find out the sum of all the digits over here. Okay, done this as well. Char at I, done. Where is the for loop getting ended? This. Okay. Now I will say return what? Number 1 point, check if the sum, that's the sum of all the digits, is divisible by 3, okay, and check the second last digit plus the last digit. If it is also equal to, if it is also divisible by 4, then return it, if it is true, of course. Okay. If it is not, then check, we'll go with else. Then check, I'll do one thing, I'll create another number over here, and I will write it down. Integer dot parse int num. Okay, take it into the number and check it out if the number is itself divisible by 12, because we have already gone through the concept. We will say return if number modulus 12 is equal to 0. Simple. Number 1 point, it was if it was divisible by 12, or if it is if the sum is divisible by 3 and the last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Okay, save it and run it. It's true. Okay, we can just go with another string. I don't know if it is working or not. Let's just find it out if it is false. Okay, so this is how we are going to find out the divisibility check for 12. Hope you guys understand it. Thank you very much.